It's a lovely Saturday morning. I'm heading towards Stoke-on-Trent train station. Old kilns in Stoke-on-Trent. So here I am in Baswich, heading towards meeting place. With Igor on the way to Stourbridge, and the further down Saturday Loop, 110 miles, canals and off-roading. The weather is looking promising and the current speed 18.5 an hour, so if it stays like that we can do it the whole loop within 10 hours. So first major stop of a route, and we could not ask for water because all the pubs been closed, as it's not even 12 o'clock yet.
My God!
Bit of challenging like a bike. I just came out of Tower Bridge, heading towards Birmingham. Bit of climbs and a chilly forest. So where's Birmingham, you said? Which way?
Birmingham. That's a good question. Probably somewhere around there.
Okay.
Just over the hill.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah! And again. Drop box. Here we go. Woo-hoo! Nice. No pain, no gain. Oh dear. Go on, Igor. You can do it. Oh, not for me today. This climb is a killer. And despite of all 20 Celsius degree right now, so I'm boiling. Yay! Oh, what a killer. Oh dear. Nice drop. Oh. Oh. Ah. Let's smash those pedals. Got it busted.
Ale ładnie.
Nice.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas.
120k behind me. I've still got about 52k left to Stafford, and then another 2 hours probably home. Heading towards Cannock Chase. Legs are still feeling good. I'm currently 150k over. Time is 7:05 p.m.
Miles.
160k. Approaching 9th hour of ride. Average speed of 17.9. Not too shabby.